Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday and Friday. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Amazon fall fashion essentials and favorites. I decided to gather all of the pieces that I've picked up over the past couple of years from Amazon that I love using in the fall time and sharing it with you guys. That way you guys have some super affordable options. If you like Amazon content, fashion content, and also just beauty lifestyle content, then definitely consider subscribing. As always, everything will be linked in the description box. Right next to the title, it'll have a little drop down menu. That's where you'll find all the links. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram and TikTok. I'm so active on there when I'm not posting on here. And let's get into the video. So I will be doing a try on portion for this video too. So I'm going to show you guys some pieces and then I'll try them on, show you some more, try them on. First off, I want to start off with one of my favorite pieces. I was looking for a really pretty rust overshirt like this. What's her name? Robbie Jan. She posted a picture on YouTube and she had this really beautiful rust overshirt. It was from Free People and I went to go click on the link, I think, to buy it, and it was either $100 or $80 for an overshirt, and I was like, no way in heck am I gonna spend that much money on just a shirt. So I was on the hunt to find a really pretty rust overshirt and I found this one on Amazon. It was literally only 20 bucks tops. And it's nice corduroy detailing. This also kind of reminds me of my Zara overshirt that was $40. Same exact vibe. All right, so this is how the corduroy little shacket looks like here. This is how far down it comes. I mean, it definitely covers the butt area. But I just, like I had mentioned, I got it in a size medium and it's the perfect slouchy fit. Right now I just have it paired with some faux leather leggings and combat boots. But this would also look really cute with jeans and sneakers. I also love the way the collar lays. It's really long and it meets at the shoulder. Super cute. Moving on, we have this gorgeous, rich chocolate brown sheer collared top. I was literally on the hunt for a top like this to wear with a cute pleated skirt or jeans and layer either a bandeau top or something underneath, and then I could put an oversized jean jacket or anything over top. When I saw that Amazon had it and you had to pick it up, this was only $13. The only thing I will say is that it did take a little bit of time to come in. It was not a prime option, but I totally think it was worth the wait because it's so cute. This is how the top looks like on. I think it's so cute and so flattering. Right now, I just have it paired with my brown leather pants from Zara and then a pair of black booties. I know that mixing black with brown is sometimes a no-no, but I feel I kind of like the contrast. But I love this top. It's so cute and so trendy, and I could even throw on a brown blazer or even a black blazer over top of this to go with the boots. That could be a vibe. And then with the mesh detailing peeking through. You could also totally dress this top down by pairing it with a pair of jeans and sneakers, or I could even wear this outfit with a pair of sneakers and be dressy but casual. And then here's the top, a little bit more dressed down. I just have them paired with these pants that I actually got from Walmart in the little boys section. They were in the school uniform section. I just got it in the largest size that they had. And then I put a slit on the bottom. Check out my Walmart video if you want to see some Walmart fall fashion find. I'll leave a little card for it up here. I also think that this is such a cute way to style it with the khaki pants and some sneakers. Definitely gives it more of a school uniform vibe, but in the best way possible. Oh my gosh, this next item I'm obsessed with. I could not be happier with it, and I think it's the cheapest that I found these options. So pleated skirts have been really in, so I've been on the hunt for one, but I didn't want to just get any kind. I wanted to get a really different warm fall color, and I found this one on Amazon. Look at the color of this brown. It's such a rich, just toasty caramel brown color. This was only, I think, $17, and the quality feels really nice. It's a nice thicker skirt material, so you could totally wear this in the fall time with just some thicker tights if it gets cold out. I got a pair of knee-high socks from Walmart, and then I also ordered a pair of loafers. I'll pop them up on the screen. Those are from Amazon. They were not Prime, but they were only 20 bucks and they will be here by the end of October. So I was like, it's worth the wait, because everywhere else I was trying to find shoes like that, they were way more expensive. So I'll let you guys know how those work out. Anyways, that's not what we're talking about. But I did get those to wear with this skirt. But I think that this skirt would just be so cute styled with like a oatmeal kind of like chunky knit sweater. This would also look really pretty with that brown sheer top I was showing you earlier. It would also look really pretty with this vest that I picked up from Misguided. Like these two tones together. Definitely more of that preppy look, different from my typical style. But I'm excited to kind of like switch up my style a little bit and, you know, see different ways I would wear this. Not to mention, it's one of those skirts you could definitely dress up with like booties, or you can dress it down with some platform sneakers. This is how the skirt looks like on. It's so pretty. I have it paired with these Steve Madden booties and then this top that I got from H&M. This is like a perfect way to like keep yourself warm if it's cooler out for the fall, but still be able to wear a very cute fall skirt like this. Now the skirt, I do have it rolled up, but this is the actual length that it comes to. I'm gonna show you guys. So I do really like it like this. It's just a little bit looser here when I don't have it rolled up. But the color of this is just so pretty. I love the pleating, and again the quality is just really nice. You could also totally dress this down with a pair of sneakers or the loafers that I mentioned. I can't wait to style it with those loafers and maybe some like knee-high socks. Definitely more of like a preppy vibe, but I love this. Such a different fall vibe, you know? Following that, I've shown you this in a previous Amazon video. But this shacket that I got from Amazon, I have been literally obsessed with ever since I got it. This I was able to wear in the cooler months with like a thicker kind of like thermal top underneath of it. But then in the fall time, I'm able to style it with like a tank top or a crop t-shirt or a graphic tee. So many different ways I can wear this. I love shackets like these. I also love the plaid pattern on it because I found that it goes with so many different tops. I can wear it with like white tops, beige tops, blue tops, black tops. And I think that the color variation is just like very pretty. It looks like it's something you would get from like Urban Outfitters. And like I mentioned, the material is nice and like thick. It's a good quality, but it's not like that suffocating kind of like itchy thick quality. All right, and then this is how the shacket looks like on. Right now I have it paired with that same skirt that I was showing you guys earlier, and then my Steve Madden chunky combat boots. I feel like this is actually a really cute combination of just like casual and edgy within the girliness of the skirt. But let me just tell you how much I love this shacket. It just fits super cute. I love how it's oversized but not too oversized. Like I said, I got mine in a medium and it still covers the butt really nice. So if you do decide to wear it with like leggings or anything like that, it will look really cute. And this is like the epitome of like the perfect just fall running errands outfit. Just a pair of leggings. These are faux leather ones from Target. You could also just do regular combat boots, basic black tank, or you can wear like a basic black sweater. But then the moment you throw on this super cute oversized shacket, like it just makes it look like you tried so hard. But in reality, you are so comfortable. Next up, we have one of my favorite cardigans of all time. This I got last year for the fall time, and I remember wearing, oop, it's dirty, I need to wash it. I remember wearing this when it was still like kind of warmer out because it's not a super thick cardigan. It is a little bit more lightweight, but you could layer like thicker knits or something underneath if it gets like colder where you're at. But what I love most about this is the balloon sleeve and then like the little like puffy detailing here. I want to say I got this for like $25 to $30. And the great thing about this is that it literally looks like something that you would get for like $40, $50 from like Nordstrom. Super cute. I also love the length that it comes down to. It's not too long, but not too short. Just like a great casual cardigan that again, you can, you know, make look a little bit more fancy, or you can completely dress it down. Like, why do I ever spend the money when I know that I can find cute options for cheaper? This flannel was one of them. This I got last year. It's a slightly thicker flannel, but not too thick. Perfect for the fall time when it's like in like the 60s. Now this is by the Amazon Essentials brand, which I love because they make really good quality pieces, but they are super affordable. And did I mention I got this from the men's section on Amazon? I never discriminate whenever I'm like shopping for pieces like this because I feel like they're very unisex, and I like my flannels oversized anyway, so I might as well get them from the men's section. And I've also noticed that typically men's flannels and just men's clothing in general is slightly cheaper. This flannel, you get that like oversized vibe that you would get from like Urban Outfitters or any more expensive place, except I want to say that this was like $13 top. No, I'm lying. I think I actually got this for $5. Well, as you guys know, the prices vary a lot on Amazon, so I've seen this go up and down. I think I've seen it at 15, and the lowest I saw it was at 5, which is when I picked it up. But I'll link it down below because it's still a really affordable, cute option. And then this is how that same outfit looks like with that flannel that I was showing you guys earlier. This is how far down the flannel comes down to too, which I really like. It's super flattering because it covers the butt completely when wearing leggings. And yeah, the only thing I will say with this flannel is I wish I would have sized up even more because I like for the sleeves to be really big. So this is definitely, for being a men's medium, I feel like it's pretty small, like it's more slim fit. So if you like this look, you want it slightly oversized, but you still want it very form-fitting, then definitely don't size up. Like, get the size you think will work for you. But me, I like everything overly baggy, so I probably would get like an extra large in this. I wasn't lying when I said that like the men's Amazon Essentials has like the best stuff when it comes to like oversized sweaters, flannels, all of that. This one I got last year and I love it. It is seriously one of the softest sweaters that I own. I got it in this really pretty creamy white color. This looks so cute, just styled with like biker shorts and some like combat boots, or you can wear them with sneakers. Perfect like end of summer segueing into fall, or you can honestly just get it to wear around your house because it's so comfortable. I got mine in a size medium, but it is a little bit more of like a slimmer fit. And like I said, I like my clothing when it comes to this stuff super oversized. So I honestly would have sized up to a large or even an extra large and just like rolled up the sleeve. But the quality of this piece is just outstanding. Even when it comes down to the zipper, how it's like all white. Also, if you're looking for some really cute oversized sweaters, I have a whole Amazon like comfy video on my channel. I'll leave it linked down below. But I love getting like the men's Hanes sweaters or even like the men's Gildan sweaters. So I'll leave those options linked down below. They have some of the cutest color variations. I'll show you guys pictures of some of the ones that I have, or I'll show you guys a couple in the next clip. Just because I don't have them all out here right now. And then lastly, I wanted to touch on accessories. It's funny because I remember showing you guys this accessory in the summertime, but I've also found myself wearing it and styling it with a bunch of my more like fall outfits. And it's this Bottega Veneta dupe bag from Amazon. Now the only thing is that I've noticed that it comes in and out of stock. So last I checked, it was not available, but I'll try to find similar options below. I use this bag so much and I found that it like would fit my summer vibe with my summer outfit, but then this also looks so cute whenever I style it with like my black chunky combat boots. So if this bag is in stock, I definitely recommend snagging it up. Not in stock, I definitely recommend adding it to your wish list or adding it to your cart and then saving it for later. That way you can keep checking whenever it's back in stock. Last but not least, I want to share with you guys some of my favorite like fall winter sunglasses. It's not an Amazon video if I don't show you sunglasses. I've definitely shown you guys all of these before, probably like several times, but I can't get enough of them. They're just these little black cat eye sunglasses. These just like fit the vibe. Like this with like your flannel or with your overshirt. You throw these glasses on when you're running errands, and even if you look like crap, these just make you look like you know what you are doing with your life. They're just so cute. They look so expensive and they're so inexpensive. These ones that have the gold detailing on them, I loved these and I wore these a bunch in the wintertime. You could also totally wear these in the summer too, but I just feel like they also have a very like fall aesthetic to it with like a moto jacket. Ugh, so pretty. Last but not least, I don't know, I feel like tortoiseshell just goes with fall and like all the rich camel colors. So you have these two glasses here. These ones have like a bluish black fade in the front, and then these ones have that like all brown moment. These are definitely like fall and summer sunglasses. I did wear these a ton in the summer too, but they're just so cute. These are like 13 bucks. And then these were like 13 bucks, but they came with a pack of 4. I feel like I can't tell if my camera's crooked or if I just made all these crooked because I never take care of my sunglasses and I just throw them around. So pretty. All right, you guys, and that wraps it up for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Leave a comment down below too of like, what was your favorite piece? Also, definitely consider subscribing if you want to see more Amazon and fall content and all that from me. I do a ton of it here. I truly love you guys all so much from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to follow me and check me out on Instagram and TikTok. DM me. I love interacting with you guys and getting to know you guys. And I pray that you all have a blessed rest of your week or weekend or whenever this goes up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!